PPT visible, ninth class? 9C, PPT is visible to all? All right. So today our topic is specific purpose application software. By name, it is very much clear. Specific purpose application software is a software which is designed for performing specific task. For some specific purpose, the software is designed. These softwares, they are not generally available in the shops. You have to purchase these softwares directly from the manufacturer. You won't be getting these softwares easily in the shops, easily in the market. You have to contact or you have to purchase it directly from the manufacturer if you want to use these softwares. So what are the various examples of specific purpose application software? Accounting management, reservation system, HR management. HR management software is in turn of two types: payroll, attendance system. Beta, payroll system is a software that is used to calculate the salary of employees. Employee salary consists of basic pay, TA, DA, HRA, provident fund and all that. So in order to compute the salary of employees, this software is used, payroll system. Attendance system. Attendance system software, it is used to keep the record of the attendance. Like suppose we teachers, we are going to school, so there is one machine where we put our finger and mark our attendance. Accordingly, on the software of the office, in the office department, the software marks our entry. As we press our finger, our entry is marked in the software of attendance, which is installed in the computers of office department. Okay. So how many leaves employee has taken, how many days employee was absent, how many days he was present, total record is kept. Billing system. Beta, you might be visiting restaurants and you might be having eatables over there. And when you finish your eatables, your father or mother, they make payment at the counter. Okay. Billing system also is a software that is used to generate bills. That is used to generate bills. I give one very live example to you. You might have visited Prakash Bakery in Model Town. If you have visited over there, you might have observed the billing software that they are using to compute, to calculate the bill of the items that you have purchased. They scan the item, correspondingly the amount gets entered in the particular column. Likewise, they scan all the items and all the price of the items they are recorded. Then they press the button, automatically total is counted and bill is generated and you make the payment. Okay. Inventory control. Beta, inventory means stock. Complete record of stock is maintained. How much stock is in excess, how much stock is in deficiency, how much stock is more required. So all the details, all the records, complete track of the stock is kept by the organization with the help of this software that is called inventory control. Okay. Reservation system, like you book online tickets for train or for air or for a flight. Suppose you want to go abroad, so you book the ticket online. Okay, so reservation system is used to book tickets for railways or airways. Clear? Accounting management software is a software that deals with all the financial transactions, all the financial statements regarding any organization. Okay. Now, next type of application software is mobile applications. Okay, you all are using smartphones and daily you download one or the other application from the Play Store. Like you download games, you download Amazon Prime Video, okay, you download Geo Cinema, you download any antivirus, you download any other software, any other app linked with your education, like Diksha app, okay, then you can download any other app that you wish to download. You can easily download from the Play Store in your Android phones. Okay, am I clear? Now, mobile applications means the applications or the softwares that are particularly designed to run on smartphones, on your mobile devices. Okay, such apps, such application softwares, they are also used for some specific purpose. Like, right? So what are the various types of mobile apps? Games app. Here in front of you, I have typed few examples. You might be having so many games in your mobile. That is okay. But journal examples I have given here. Okay. You can give any example pertaining to any mobile, any application, but it should be correct one. Now, games app, like I have given Angry Bird, Temple Run, Ludo King, chess, carom, okay. Then train simulation games are there, car racing games are there, right? Then utility apps. What are the various type of utility tools which are available almost in all the smartphones? Alarm, reminder, calculator, converter, compass, flashlight. Then entertainment app. Entertainment app means music apps. Okay, any app concerning movies like Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, Geo Cinema. Then social networking apps. Beta, here I want to tell you one thing. In social networking app, do not consider Snapchat. Snapchat is not a social networking site. Hirday, am I clear to you? Hirday, am I clear with the lecture up till here, beta? Hirday Dua. Don't include Snapchat in your social networking site. Snapchat is not a social networking site. Okay, it is a chatting software. It is a chatting software. Am I clear? Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. These are the apps which are linked with the social networking, right? Then the last topic of the day is customized application software. Beta, every organization, they have their own requirement. Every organization have their own requirement with respect to software. Clear? So they want a software which should be made as per their requirement. They want such a software which is designed to meet or to satisfy all the requirements of organization. Clear? No doubt, to prepare such softwares, we need long time, lot of cost is incurred while preparing these softwares. Such softwares are called customized application software or tailor-made software or bespoke software. There are two other names of customized application softwares, that is bespoke or tailor-made software. Now, what are the examples of customized application software? Shopify, customer relationship management, automated invoicing. Okay, these are some of the examples of customized application softwares. Am I clear? Am I clear with all the topics of the chapter? Raise your thumb immediately so that I can have response from your side. Only 3 thumbs are raised. Raghav, Chaitanya and Kanish. Manyavid, Hirday, Keshav. No response I'm getting from your side. Gurleen, Harshit Sharma, Anshya, Prabjot Singh, Ishani, Navedita, Ishan, Dipali, Ishan, roll number 20, Dhairya, Jayant, Rajvinder. Dhairya, are you here in the lecture? All right. So here I am finishing the syllabus of PT1. All the 3 chapters are successfully completed. Now I am revising this chapter in form of a short assignment. Okay. All right. So as a summary, as a short revision of chapter 3, here I have framed 2 conceptual questions for you people. Very interesting conceptual questions, very interactive questions. What you are to do, you can see the list of software. You have to state whether a particular software is a system software or application software. Okay, you have to state whether the software is a system software or application software. If it is system, we will write system in the category box. If it is application, we will write application in the category box. Let us start. Those of you who know the answer, first of all, you have to unmute, you have to on your video, then you have to raise your hand. Don't just raise your hand. Those who want to give the answer, first they will come on the video, then only they can give the answer. All right, we start with Gurupal as he was the first to raise the hand. Yes, Gurupal, unmute yourself. Am I audible to you, Gurupal? Unmute yourself.
Good morning, sir.
A very good morning, bete. All right, if it
Sir,
is system software,
sir,
so we write system here. Okay, system software. Very good, Gurupal, good start. Okay, second, Android. Yes, Gaurav, unmute yourself.
System software.
System software. Beta, I give you one very important clue. All the operating systems, all the language processors, and all the utilities, they are system software. All the operating systems, all type of language processors, and all type of utility softwares, file management, encryption, whatever software is linked with utility, that is under system software. Okay. So next, compiler. Okay. Yes, Raghav, you unmute yourself for this answer.
Sir, application software.
Compiler is a language processor.
Sir, application or application or
It is system software, Raghav. It is not application, bete. It is system. MS Word. अब ये तो आना चाहिए. Ishani, unmute yourself, beta.
Sir, application software.
Very good, Ishani. Application software. Okay. MySQL. जयंत, पहले वीडियो पे आइए, फिर आंसर देंगे आप. You want to give the answer? First of all, come on the video, beta. All right. Who will give the answer to this question? Raise your hand. Yes, Raghav, you answer.
Sir, application software.
Application software. Very right, very correct. Okay, next is Lotus 1, 2, 3. Navedita.
Application software.
Very right, very correct. Application software. Okay, next. Chaitanya, come on the video for giving the answer. Yes, Chaitanya. LibreOffice Calc. Your voice is not audible, Chaitanya. Your voice is not audible. Yes, Prabjot, first of all, come on the video. Then only you can give the answer. With video off, answer will not be accepted. Yes, Raghav.
Sir, application software.
Application software. All right. Internet Explorer. Internet Explorer. Yes, Ishan, come on the video first. Yes, Ishan, unmute yourself. Now give the answer.
Sir, system software.
Internet Explorer is not a system software,
Yeah.
beta. It is application software. All right. Norton. Norton. Yes, Gurupal, unmute yourself.
Sir, application software.
Norton is an antivirus. Antivirus is a utility, and utility is a system software. So it is a system software. 7-zip. 7-zip. Okay. Yes, Ishani, you answer.
Sir, system software.
System software. 7-zip is encryption and decryption software, which is a utility software. So it's a system software. Explorer plus plus. Yes, Gurshan, come on the video and give the answer.
Sir, application.
Explorer plus plus is not application, bete. It is also system. It is file management software and it is a utility. Okay, Google Chrome. Yes, Gaurav, you answer.
Sir, application software.
Application software. Okay. Interpreter. Yes, Garima, come on the video, unmute yourself and give the answer. Very right, very correct. It is a language processor. It is a system software. Okay, DOS, disk operating system. What is DOS? Application or system? Yes, Raghav.
Sir, system software.
DOS system software. All right. Linux. Linux. Okay, Ishan, you answer. Come on the video first. And unmute yourself, beta. Now tell me, Linux system or application? Are you
Sir, application.
Are you familiar with this software? You know Linux? Beta, Linux is an operating system. Now I have given the clue,
Yes,
Ishan.
sir.
So very big clue I have given. So it is a, yes, beta, try
Application.
system, beta, it is system. all the operating system softwares are system software. Ishan, is it okay?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, system software. Good. MS PowerPoint. Yes, Ishan, you only answer this question. Keep yourself unmuted. MS PowerPoint, beta.
Application.
Yeah. Very good. Very nice response. It is application. Okay. Billing system. ये तो आज ही की है. Billing system. Why your hands are not raised for the answers? All 5 students common. Gaurav, Raghav, Gurupal. Why everybody is not participating? You all should participate, bete. Yes, Navedita, you answer this question. Billing system.
Application software.
Very right. Very good. Application software. Okay. Payroll. Payroll. Yes, Chaitanya. Chaitanya, unmute yourself. Your voice is again not audible, Chaitanya. Some problem in your mic, I guess. Payroll. Yes, Raghav. Unmute yourself.
Sir, application software.
Application software. It is application software.
Application.
Okay.
सर
McAfee.
जो बिलिंग सिस्टम और पेरोल है वो यूटिलिटीज में नहीं आएगा.
They are specific purpose application software, Raghav.
Oh.
Payroll and billing system, they are under the category of specific purpose application softwares. All right. McAfee. McAfee. Yes, Tanveen, answer this question.
System software.
System software. Very right, very correct. It's an antivirus. Very right, very correct. BitLocker. Who will tell BitLocker? Yes, Ishani.
So system software.
System software. It is encryption decryption software, which is a utility. Okay, last but not the least, Window Explorer. Window Explorer. Sorry. Yes, Navedita.
Application software.
No, it is system software, beta. Window Explorer is a file management software. So it is a utility and it is a system software. So I hope the concept is clear. How to do these interactive questions. All right. Then let's proceed to the next interactive question. Here you are having fill in the blanks. You have to fill appropriate category of the software. Category, not the software. Chaitanya, we are in the lecture. So focus should be only in the class. So in the blank, you have to fill the appropriate category of the software. Okay? Let us start, but read the sentence before telling the answer to me. Aditya, the secretary searches for and selects names from companies. जैसा मैंने पहले बताया था, information about a student, for example, is collected and stored in the database. Database is having the collection of all the information collected from different sources. So here, what we have done, here we have collected the name of the company employees from companies. First blank will be, yes, Raghav. First blank.
Database.
Database. First blank will be database. Very right, very correct. Then he prepares budgeting reports from the calculations done in which category of software? we perform calculations? In which category of softwares we perform calculations? Yes, Ishan. Ishan, unmute your
System softwares.
No, spreadsheet software, beta. In spreadsheet software, we perform the calculations.
Calculations.
After this, he prepares the letters to be sent to client using dash, where we type the data. In which category of software we type the data? Yes, Anshya. Unmute yourself.
Word processing software.
Yes, word processing software. Very right, very correct. Word processing.